Hey everyone, I'm Amanda with Sweet Pieces, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about glitz and glamour. We're going to talk about foil, how to use metallic foil. So we've kind of been going a little crazy here. It's the holiday season at Sweet Pieces, and do you see all of this glam, gilding, all around the edges here? This is a technique similar to gold leafing. So gold leafing is a little bit messy, a little bit expensive, but we have a similar product that's very, very easy to use, and we've kind of been going a little bit foil crazy around here. So this is another piece that we did. We did this piece, base coat is the color Zen from our Jolie line, and then we did a pearl plaster wash over the top of it. So I hope you can see this from the camera. It gives it just like a little bit of a sheen to it, a pearlescent sheen. And then here on the interior and on the edges, we did the metallic foil. So this we did a little bit more solid. And then here on the edges, we kind of, like you can see, it's kind of missing in some spots. It's like a little haphazard, which is, you know, part of the appeal of this product. So I'm going to show you how to do it. We are painting a new back door for our building, and of course it's black and white stripe and a little bit of gold. So let me tell you how this product works. So this is a 3-step product. You're going to first put on your leaf and foil size. So this product makes the surface tacky and sticky. Okay? It's like glue. Don't get it all over you. You're going to be sticky, sticky, sticky. So, and my brush just fell right in there. That should go in the blooper reel. So I'm just using, like, you know, you don't want to use good brushes for this. This is obviously not a good brush because the head just fell off of it. So I'm going to just dip it, and I'm actually doing it right here along this edge. So I'm just going to paint on my size. Basically, wherever I paint my size is where the foil is going to stick to, okay? So this is different from metallic paint. This is not metallic paint. It is foil. So it's going to give you like more of a glitzy, glamorous type of a feel. And I'm going to walk you into another room shortly and just show you some more examples of the foil. So here I am, I'm just painting it on. Do you see how when it goes on, it's white? And then I'm going to show you one that I just did, and that's going to turn clear. So once it's ready for your foil, it's going to turn clear. And that usually takes about, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes. So basically you just paint it on wherever you want it to go. And once you're done doing that, then you wait, and then you foil. So I cut a little piece. We sell this product in a roll. This is the roll. It comes 200 feet on a roll, or you can buy it by the foot. So we also sell it by the foot. You can order it online by the foot or come into the store by the foot. So it's $1 a foot, or I think it's $59.95 for the roll of 200 feet. So you really, a little bit goes a very long way. So I just cut off a little piece here. This other side of the door is what I did before I was on camera. So listen carefully. So I don't know if you can hear that snapping sound, but basically that tells me that it's ready. If I were to do that over here, it's not going to make that sound, and it's going to be more mushy. So if it's mushy, it's not ready. When it's snappy, it's ready. So you're going to take your foil, and everybody thinks that you put the shiny side down. That is the wrong way. This is the side that you're going to put onto the size. So the matte side is where you're putting it down. So I'm just going to lay this on here. It doesn't matter how you do it. I just have a little toothbrush here, something soft bristle, but a little bit firm. Soft yet firm. Hi there. And I'm going to tap this in here, and then I'm going to peel. And there it is. Easy peasy. And then you can see my sheet here is missing part of the foil, and that is basically pretty cool, huh? That is basically where it is. So now I can actually lay back over this area, and I can redo it if I want to get, you know, more off on there. So see how it kind of fills in. You can also, like, let's say you missed a little spot with the size, you can actually paint right back over it and wait for it to tack up again, and then go ahead and do more foil. So I'll do this guy here. Whoop, and see, I'm using bad brushes today. This is a very old toothbrush, obviously. Must be vintage from our collection. So I'm just going to kind of keep going back over this until I get the effect that I want. And in a few days, you can come and see this door right at the back of our shop. I'm going to seal this with an exterior grade top coat once it's done. And we'll be ready to go. How cute is that? I love it. I love it. So I'm just using this in the corners. Have you ever used this product? We have a customer here. No. No. Is it intriguing you?
It is.
Yeah, it's really fun. It's quite addictive. And especially now with the holiday season, we've kind of been gilding everything in sight. You can do ornaments. You can do furniture, you can do decor, candlesticks, you know, basically anything. And you can just put it here and there. So basically, like I said, wherever you put the leaf and foil size is where the foil is going to go. So once I take this tape off, it'll be, you know, a nice crisp edge because that's where my size went. So my size probably went partially on the tape, which is why it's kind of coming off on the tape. But I'll peel this off, I'll seal it with an exterior top coat, and then I'll go ahead and enjoy my door for years to come. So I'm going to actually walk you over to another room. This is actually one of our new vendors here. If you've never visited our store, we're a really unique shop. We started as a vintage marketplace. This has been an antique store for 40 years. This building was actually originally a hotel. It was built in 1907. And so we have some really amazing vendors throughout our space that all sell a variety of different wares. So this is one of our brand new vendors, Modern Vintage. And Michelle is, not only is she an awesome person, but she's a super talented artist. She is boho to the max. We love it. This is like one of her pieces. It's this peacock vanity. She did like a decoupage with this beautiful peacock paper and the crystal knobs. I mean, who doesn't love that? But she is loving the whole gilding. So these are foiled. These candlesticks are foiled. So you can see, like, Michelle didn't put the size everywhere. She just put it, you know, in the places where she kind of wanted it to be. And then it sticks wherever you want it to go. She did it here. Even her ornaments here, she did. These are old vintage glass ornaments, and then she filled them with the snow and then did the foil on the outside, which I think is just so, so cute. Colored foil. We also have different colors of foil, which I'll show you. So we have, of course, gold. Who doesn't love the gold? And then we also have silver. We have bronze. We have pewter. We have black. And do we have turquoise? We can get turquoise if you want it. So let me show you the different ones that we have here. So here are all of the different colors, plus the turquoise, which we don't have out here. But you can see it just gives it like a really beautiful vintagey type of a metallic-y look. So if you compare this to, say, one of our metallic paints, you can just see the difference. I'm looking on camera. You can't really see the difference too much, but trust me, there is a difference between doing the foil and doing the metallic paint. Just gives it like another layer of dimension. And then we also have the gilding wax, which that's another type of metallic product that you can use, but again, just not the same vibrancy that you're going to get from the foil, which is, you know, just a lot of fun. So again, let me just review. Foil is a 3-step process. First, you put on your leaf and foil size. You wait 15 minutes for it to tack up. You lay on your foil, and then you seal it with a top coat. There's no wait time between when you put your foil on and when you put your top coat on. You could basically do it right away. You just have to wait for that size to tack up and get sticky. And clean up. How do you clean this product? So this product needs to be cleaned with alcohol. So you're going to use regular alcohol from like the medicine cabinet, not your bar cabinet. So like the isopropyl alcohol. The higher grade you use, so like 99% is really what you want to use. That will really get it clean. If your hands get sticky, you can use hand sanitizer to clean it up. But you can try as much soap and water as you want, and it ain't cleaning it up. So you do need to use the alcohol. So just dip your brushes, put a little in a cup, dip your brushes in the alcohol, and they'll be clean in no time. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Want to learn more? Subscribe now.